We don't want
Dingpi within Hengzhou subdivision today staged a protest to against the coming of CO Commandant First uh, Assam Rifles, uh, which is replacing the 13th Assam Rifles shortly, because considering of the previous situation and on the basis of the past so many experiences and so many incidences that is happening in the area, we feel that his coming will create a lot of unwanted incidences, and I think posting him in this area will complicate the volatile situation that is already existing in the area, and there can be a lot of mistrust and miscommunication, and it will disturb the security establishment.
gamsum hausa ho no lepa
Peaceful rally dia galum yana no na paweti de peaceful rally so mata democracy do mazana when the rally to stop lo president rule la
People and everyone is feeling that his coming will simply open a Pandora box, which is against the wishes of the people. And if our wishes and if our request or if our this application is not accepted, our people will continue to protest democratically so that our grievances are heard by the concerned authority.